What's up, guys? Albert Fingernoodle here. I farted in my grandpa's breathing machine, and his lungs turned black. I'm currently on the run after committing multiple felonies.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4.
You're gonna be brutally molested by 16 autistic clowns. You're gonna be kicked in the balls every day.
You are my tattoo, my only tattoo.
I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore.
Why y'all put cheese on my cheeseburger? Shut your bitch ass, someone come here and shoot. Cheese on my cheeseburger.
Who it is? It's your boy.